I'm Jason Sutphin. I work in the Operations Systems Improvement Organization within PO&T. I had just graduated college and had a degree in communications, so focused on broadcasting mostly, so a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff. No connection to pharma, biotech, and none of it. My career at Biogen started in 2002. Started as a manufacturing associate. I was in small scale is where I started, small scale cell culture. Did some moving around in there to large scale purification. Took a role as a shift supervisor. That came from just wanting some additional responsibility. I wanted to have a little more input. I wanted just a little bit more, and so it became that shift supervisor role was a good fit. And so I was in manufacturing for 12, 14 years and had an opportunity then to come off the floor and work on a project that later turned into the Solartherm project. And just, fantastic experience there. We were coming back to the U.S. and I decided I wanted to look, maybe outside of manufacturing a little bit. It was definitely my comfort zone. So I took a role in the Operations Systems Improvement Organization. I would say any time that I was presented an opportunity that made me uncomfortable, it felt a little risky. But they paid off, right? And that's the good thing about making decisions. If you don't like it, you get to make another decision, right? So for me, it was, what can I do now in this role, not to get promoted or to do anything else, but to contribute, to feel good about what I'm putting in. Biogen has been able to consistently provide me opportunities to do more, to have more responsibility, to be fulfilled in my role. I've got friends at Biogen, not just coworkers and colleagues. And then the connection to patients, the impact that we have every time we bring a patient in to talk to us here on site is so impactful because it's everything to them. Their whole world is revolving around them trying to manage whatever disease that they're battling. So what Biogen does matters for that patient, not just for my paycheck or what it provides for my family, but for all those patients that are struggling through their disease and fighting hard for it.